We really hope that this relationship with Star Cinema, with the vloggers, sana lalong lumaki. Sa dami exciting na projects na ginagawa nila. And so, moving forward, sana magkaroon pa talaga, sabi ko, ang freedom of choice. Ngayon talaga may freedom na sana na talagang mas mabasa ang mga vlogs din ng mga tao. Alam ko sinusundan talaga kayo. So, I hope na lalong lumago ang inyong fold. Tenfold pa. Thank you so much for giving us your time.
Maraming salamat po sa inyo. Sana matuto pa ako ng mas maigi. At parang ngayon na I will try to learn more. Kasi na-excite ako di ba? Pagka sinabing vloggers, parang hindi nare-rendahan, tama? Although, sabi nga ni Direk, sometimes may negative. It's part of learning, tama? But again, the good thing is, in na rin ako sa inyo. And I will try to learn more. Again, thank you very much. I enjoyed itong tete natin. I enjoyed itong get-together natin. At next time, I'll see to it na pagka nakagawa pa uli ako after the healing, sana magsama-sama tayo. I enjoyed our get-together. Maraming salamat. Paki-plug na rin yung aming movie, ha? Please help us. Malaking bagay ito, lalong-lalo na sa mga masasabi natin na die hard sa internet. You will help us a lot. So, maraming salamat in advance. And thank you. Looking forward to be seeing you again. Maraming salamat.
I think the vloggers will really help elevate the quality of Philippine movies.
Wow!
Kasi the kind of questions that you've been asking, ask the same questions sa lahat ng mga mga pelikula, magiging mata-challenge ang mga filmmakers to really think seriously about the films that they do because they'll be challenged by your questions. Kaya you will play a very crucial role in the elevation of the quality of our movies. Thank you.
Congratulations!
Thank you.